Good morning. Right. Ooh, change that brightness. Much better. Right, I'm on my way downstairs to get some breakfast and we'll meet the rest of the gang. And then we're off to the Ferrari Factory. Woo! So we've just had our Ferrari presentation. We are one of Shell guests, and this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to pay a visit to the Ferrari factory. They've just explained that no one can visit the factory unless you buy a Ferrari or you're an exclusive guest of Shell, which we're one of. So I won't be allowed to take my camera into the factory as they take them off you and put stickers over your phones. But in the Ferrari Museum shortly afterwards, I will be able to record the museum. So see you then. So I've just come out of the Ferrari factory, and I tell you now, the things I've just seen are incredible. We're just about to pop into the Ferrari store to buy some gifts, and then shortly after we will we'll go to the restaurant to get some food. The store's just behind me.
Life for me, how they got life for me when they took that from me. Since I had my nose really, yeah.
I was just joking, man.
Absolutely exhausted after that. Get a lie down. Right, so we've just done the Ferrari factory tour, and the things that went on in that factory are incredible. No wonder I couldn't take a camera in. We got to see how they're built from scratch, all the way from the engine all the way up into the actual car coming off the production line. Got to see how the interiors are made and they're hand stitched. Get to decide whether or not you want leather or crocodile skin or deer hide in your car. Whatever colour you want, they'll make. What else was there? Part of the factory tour, we got to go into the Formula 1 testing ground, where we got to see their Formula 1 track. Well, it's not a track they use in the Formula 1 circuits. It's they used to use it for testing, but apparently they got banned because of Formula 1 rules and regulations, so they can't use it for testing no more. We got to see where they do all their analytics, where they get to get every single component for the Formula 1 cars, measure them, check out their performance, and basically modify them or make them better for the next season. So we got to see that, which was so cool. And then there's the Ferrari client, like a racing situation, where you can purchase a Formula 1 car or a souped up Ferrari just for track. And we got to see a couple of them, and I tell you what, there must be some rich people out there, because these Ferraris were sick. They were souped up with spoilers, body kits, almost like NASCAR windows with bucket seats. They look so cool. We got to see that. And then we went to get some lunch. I am so full. Italy's the only place I've ever been where they serve 4 meals per at lunch there was 4 meals, and I've heard today at dinner time there's going to be another 4 to 5, so I don't know how I'm going to cope with that. And then we get to go to the Ferrari Museum, which I took loads of footage of. Tell you what, if I was filming every single car, I'd be there for hours, so I'll roll some of the footage that I got now. So we're currently at the Ferrari Museum, looking at all the Ferraris from pretty much from the first one all the way to the latest one. So this is pretty cool. There's just too many Ferraris. There's just so many. Now we've got the good ones. Here we go.
House full of kilos, soul pounds to zeros. Cocaine, my hero. You ain't fake side getting Debo. Always asking what to learn like. Young home still freeload. Don't fly around my signal. I'll rearrange your dinner. Don't fly around my signal. Don't fly around my signal. Don't fly around my signal. I'll rearrange your dinner. Could be my house, you look like disciple. Heard that I'm liable. You get the eyeball, aim out the eyeball. I'm getting violent.
Earn, crack money, drug money, bail money. Heard they got life for me, how they got life for me when they took that from me. Since I had my nose, yeah.
I was just joking, man. I was just joking, man.
Knock through the condos. Schoolboy from the five dudes. Schoolboy from the five dudes. Schoolboy from the five dudes. Dudes. Knock through the condos. Schoolboy from the five dudes. Schoolboy from the five dudes. Five dudes. Don't fly around my signal. Don't fly around my signal. Don't fly around my signal. I'll rearrange your dinner.
So after that, we're now back at the hotel. We've got about 2.5 hours to do what we want ourselves. So I think I'm gonna go down to the bar, have a couple of drinks with the lads, and then we'll go for some dinner. And I won't take my camera with me. It's really awkward filming in front of 20 people that I don't really know. So I think as of now, that's the vlog over. See you later.